Welcome guys, welcome to my channel again, and this video is the part of the series of best current affairs of September, which I already have covered in 4 parts, and this is the additional part. And in this we will cover the important days of September using tricks. So let us continue. Important days of September are: International Coconut Day is celebrated on 2nd September, right? And for this the trick would be like 1 coco, 2nd coco, 1 co, 2 co. Here co is coconut and no nut, right? So 1 co plus 2 co is equal to 2. And nut, we are talking about coconut, no, we are not talking about nuts. Nuts means here moongfali, right? So no nut. 1 plus 1, no nut, 9. So here 209. 2nd of September we celebrate International Coconut Day, and the theme for this time was building a safe, inclusive, resilient and sustainable coconut community amid COVID-19 pandemic and beyond. Next is International Literacy Day is celebrated on 8th of September. So how important literacy is. The person who would be literate, he can read this 8 in 3 different ways. वो इस 8 को 3 तरीकों से देख सकेगा जो पढ़ा लिखा आदमी होगा. अगर साइड से देखेगा तो he would look 8 as infinity, सीधा देखेगा he would look 8 as 8, और अगर साइड से दोबारा देखेगा he can also 8 as 00. So this is what education makes us. So 8th of September, so something you should remember by yourself, like September and another the theme: literacy for a human centered recovery, narrowing the digital divide. Next is World Suicide Prevention Day, celebrated on 10th of September. So for suicide, this type of thing is used. A rope is tied in this way and a person performs suicide. It is the most common way of performing suicide, though no one should commit a suicide. There is a beautiful life ahead, no one knows, right? So by this and this 10 is made, right? So 10 September and no 9 को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं नो. तो no one should perform suicide, like so 10/09, 10th of September, and the theme was creating hope through action, right? Next is Engineers Day. Everybody knows that it is celebrated on the birthday of M. Vishveshwarya, a great engineer, and it is celebrated on 15th of September. Hindi Divas, no need to make a trick for that, everybody should know it without a trick. September 14. And if we are talking about World Hindi Day, then it is 10th of January. International Day of Democracy. So when we talk about democracy, the democracy should be in each and everything. So it should not be there that while we are voting, giving votes, then only we follow the rules of the democracy. Also when the resources are being allocated to the persons, then also उसके बीच में भी हमें democracy चाहिए. तो हर एक चीज़ के बीच में हमें democracy चाहिए. और अगर हम एक मंथ देखें, स्टार्टिंग में आता है 1, लास्ट में आता है 30 और बीच में आता है 15. That is why we celebrate International Day of Democracy on 15. And theme for this time was strengthening democratic resilience in the face of future crisis. Next is International Day for the preservation of the ozone layer. अगर हम किसी चीज़ को important मानते हैं, then what we do, we give that thing 100 out of 100 points, right? So when we translate 16 into Hindi, we get 16, and in 16 we get a hidden sound of so, right? So here so 16 September, ozone layer. Theme Montreal Protocol, keeping us, our food and vaccines cool, right? Ozone layer is responsible for is responsible for getting global warming or lowering the levels of global warming, right? And it was also in news that ozone layer is, it has been seen that ozone layer is repairing itself, right? Next question. International Day of Peace is celebrated on September 21. How we can remember it? We can remember it like 21st, our 21st article in the constitution is right to liberty, right? And if liberty would be there, then automatically peace would be there. And the theme here is recovering better for an equitable and sustainable world. Next is वर्ल्ड राइनो डे. तो वर्ल्ड राइनो डे अगर हम देखें तो राइनो कुछ इस तरह का है, 9 से और 22 दो सींग, ठीक है, 22 से दो सींग और 9 से उसका हेड है. ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि नो राइनो कैन बी देयर विदाउट टू मीन्स हिज हॉर्न्स. Though there is one horn in rhino, but to remember it, you can two horns, right? So World Rhino Day, September 22. World Alzheimer's Day, September 21, and the theme was no dementia, no Alzheimer's. World Alzheimer's Day, September 21. So it is same as International Day of Peace, right? World Bamboo Day. So how bamboo grow? क्योंकि उनके नीचे होता है इन्फिनिटी, और वो इन्फिनिटी उन्हें एक इन्फिनिटी हाइट पे ले जाता है, राइट? सो इन द सेम वे 18 को हम कैसे लिखेंगे, 8 का बनाएंगे हम इन्फिनिटी एक लिटरेट पर्सन की तरह, एंड उसके ऊपर हम लगाएंगे बैम्बू एंड इट वुड ग्रो टू ग्रेट हाइट, राइट? बैम्बू. सो दिस टाइम द थीम वॉज इट्स टाइम टू प्लांट बैम्बू. Next is International Day of Sign Languages is celebrated on 23rd of September. And how to learn it? There was one of my friend told me that it is not difficult to learn sign languages, so you can just remember, you just need to learn 2 or 3 signs and you would be able to convey everything using that 2 or 3 signs. And what I said, no. Again, no means 9. No, you can't learn sign language with 2 or 3 words, 2 or 3 signs. You need a lot of signs, you need to learn a lot of signs to learn it. So answer is 2309, yeah, 23rd of September. And the theme was We Sign for Human Rights. Next is World Pharmacist Day is celebrated on September 24, and the theme was always trusted for your health. Next is Antyodaya Divas, September 25. Now, what is the trick? So what pharmacists do is they sell 25. If you break 25, you will get 25, or you will get 20 then 5, right? So what they do, what pharmacists do, it's just for remembering, it's not reality. They sell a medicine of 5 on price of 20, and it makes it difficult for persons who are in Antyodaya category to buy. So with 25 we have Pharmacist Day, and with 25 we also have Antyodaya Divas, right? So the theme of Pharmacist Day we already did is always trusted for your health. Next question is Antyodaya Divas, we already completed it. Remember 25 of September, with 25 of September we have 5 की दवाई 20 में Pharmacist Day, जो कि एक अंत्योदय को खरीदने में मुश्किल करेगी, एंड अंत्योदय दिवस, राइट? वर्ल्ड इन्वायरमेंट हेल्थ डे, और जो अगला है इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ टोटल एलिमिनेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियर वेपन, प्लस जो इससे अगला है वर्ल्ड टूरिज्म डे. इसे हम एक सीरीज़ में लर्न करेंगे. तो कहीं भी जाने से पहले एज ए टूरिस्ट हमें 2 चीज़ें जो हैं वो पक्का करनी है. फर्स्ट, there should be, the environment should be healthy, World Environment Health Day, and we can see it by getting a glimpse of the places air quality index, right? So World Environment Health Day 26 सितंबर को होगा, साथ ही साथ हमें ये इंश्योर करना है कि देयर शुड बी टोटल एलिमिनेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स अमिड अ वॉर बिटवीन रशिया एंड यूक्रेन, कहीं उस प्लेस पे न्यूक्लियर वेपन ना चल जाएं, ठीक है। सो 27 को घूमने जाने से पहले 26 तारीख को हमें ये 2 चीज़ें कंफर्म करनी है। फर्स्ट, टोटल एलिमिनेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियर वेपन। सेकंड, वर्ल्ड इन्वायरमेंट हेल्थ डे, ठीक है, इन्वायरमेंट की हेल्थ। वो तभी हम 27 को वर्ल्ड टूरिज्म डे घूमने जा पाएंगे। तो बिफोर कंटिन्यूइंग जस्ट रिमेंबर द थीम्स। थीम आपको खुद याद करनी है। यू नीड टू रिमेंबर द थीम्स बाय योर ओन. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू मेक ट्रिक्स ऑन दैम. सो रिमेंबर इट, रीड it for 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and automatically you will remember that. So the theme for World Environment Health Day was prioritizing environment health for healthier communities in the world, in the global recovery. And the theme for tourism day was tourism for inclusive growth, right? Tourism for inclusive growth. So next is World Rabies Day, 28th of September, and this time theme was rabies, facts not fear. So don't spread rumors about rabies, and just go to the fact, and don't get fearful after reading about the rumors about rabies. International Translation Day is celebrated on September 30, and the theme was United in Translation, right? September 30, International Translation Day. So translation वही कर सकता है जो कि हो, क्या हो, क्या हो, क्या हो, तीसमार खान, ठीक है। A person who is Tismar Khan can only translate. It is not a thing of normal peoples. So again, this was the video in which we have covered all the important days of September 2021, and if anything would be remaining, then I will cover it in the important days of October. And please watch all the 4 videos of September, also this video of September, and you will get master in the current affairs of September. So after it I will continue the current affairs of October, November, December, January, February, and also in between I will cover the recent current affairs also. So thank you for watching my channel and hope you are enjoying it, and please support me, and thank you. Have a nice day.